Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove this annoying warning on Marvel Rivals. It's very easy to do, so try not to skip any steps. I'm going to put the download link in the video description, but I'm also going to put the link to the Nexus mods in case you want to download from the site directly. But once you've downloaded it, it's going to look like this. It's going to look like this. You're going to have a .pack file open. And then once you have that, go to Steam, go to Marvel Rivals, right click, go to Properties, go to Installed Files, go to Browse. From here, go to Marvel Game, Marvel, Content, Packs. And by default, you're not going to see a mods folder, so you have to make it. You just right click, say New Folder and Mods under Case, and create a new mods folder. Then once you have that, you simply take the file that you downloaded and you put it into this folder, and then you start the game as normal, and you will no longer see that warning. That is it.